Good morning. Today we're going to talk about place value. It's the first lesson of the math book of 6th grade. In here we're going to talk about the value of each of the digits starting from ones and finishing in trillions. Okay? We are going to learn about those values right now. So in the first digit, its name is ones. The second digit, tens. The third, hundreds. The fourth, thousands. The fifth digit is 10,000. The sixth digit is 100,000. The seventh digit is million. The eighth digit is 10 million. The ninth digit is 100 million. This one, the 10th digit is billion. The 11th digit is 10 billion. The 12th digit is 100 billion, and the 13th digit is trillions. Okay, those are the place value of each of those numbers, starting from 1 to trillion. Now, how do we write this number? In three different ways, starting in standard form, in expanded form, or in word form. In standard form, you write the number, this 9,500,000,000,000,000,000 in numbers. Look, the same as in here. In expanded form, we're going to write an addition, writing only the numbers different than 0. Here we only have two numbers different than 0. Then we're not going to add 0 plus 0 plus 0 because the 0 does not count. Okay, so 9 is in the position of trillions, so we're going to write 9 trillions, as in here. Look, 9 trillions plus the second digit, that is 5, in the position of 100 billion. So we're going to write 500 billion, that is over here, plus 500 billion. Because we do not have another number different than 0, the expanded form is going to end here. But if you have another number different than 0 in whatever position from 10 billion to 1, we need to write it here with its place value, okay? And in word form, I'm going to write this number in words. How do we say this number? 9,500,000,000,000, and that is all. That is how you write this number. If we had different numbers from 0, we need to write them in word form or in expanded form. Okay? Now we're going to work in some exercises. Exercise 1, 2, 5, and 6 of the book. In exercise 1, we are going to copy the place value of the underlined digit. In exercise number 1, the underlined digit is 3, and it's in the tens position. So its place value is 30,000. Number 2, the underlined digit is the number 9 and is in the trillions position. So the place value of the underlined digit is 9 trillion. In exercise number 5, what are we going to do? We're going to convert in a standard form to expanded form of this number, 57,000,000,009. So how do we do it? Write the numbers different than 0 in its place value. Here we have 5 in the position of 10 billion, so we write 50 billion, plus 7 in the position of billion, so we write 7 billion. Here it is. And then the other number different than 0 is 9, and it's in the position of 1, so we write plus 9. And then there's exercise number 6, 331,705,000. Write it in standard form. How do we do it? Look, 331 trillion. Look, it's in the position of trillion, 321 trillion, 705,000. Here is the billion position, here is the million position, and here is the thousand position. So 705,000, and we have zeros also in the ones position, hundreds, tens, and ones position. Thank you for watching, guys.